If you are looking for the first order discount on Hostinger, then you are at the right video, because in this video I'm going to tell you how to build the first order discount. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see about Hostinger plus their website builder offer. If you scroll below, you can see hosting reviews on different websites: Trustpilot, Google Host, Advanced, WP Beginner. If you scroll below, you can see the three most popular plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. The business plan is the even more popular plan, but if you want other plan, you can simply select hosting and select any plan. Now in these plans, you can see that you are getting option of 3 months free. You're getting amazing discounts, amazing performance. You can have up to 300 website hosted, 200 GB SS storage, weekly or daily backup option, free domain, free email, free CDN, a lot of WordPress features. You're also getting no code website builder. You are getting amazing security features, plus 30 days money back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and access to global data centers. Like you can host your website in USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, Netherlands. You have ample of options to choose to host your website on, and you can see that they provide maximized website speed with the light speed web server technology. And then you can see they also provide you free migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. They provide you with a free migration, and currently more than 2 million people are using hosting as their primary hosting company. Now to get the first order discount, you can simply select any plan, because this is going to work with any plan. Let's say we are going with the premium plan because that is the most cheapest and I want you guys to save the most amount of money. So simply select the add to cart with this plan. Once you select the add to cart, you will be redirected to another page. The process is easy, quick. Just make sure to click on the link in the description. Plus, I will also giving you two of the coupon codes to give you further discount. Here you can see the summary of your order. Once you see the summary, you can choose your billing period. Hosting your offer various billing periods, and the 48 months is a bargain where you're saving the most amount of money. So my recommendation is to opt for the 48 months, because that is where you are saving the money. And then you can create your account at Hostinger or write your email ID over here, or you can synchronize with the Google or Facebook account. Once you are done with this, simply scroll below, select your payment method. Hosting will offer various payment methods. You can choose any according to your preference. And once you select your payment method, scroll below. Now this is the most interesting part. You can see that you are already saving a lot of money. Plus, I'm going to give you a coupon code which is going to save you further money. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply select the apply button, and you're gonna see that the price which was already discounted got a further discount. There is another coupon code as well which you can use. It is with the name of HI10. You can use this one as well. Look at the current pricing right now. Once you select the apply button, you're gonna see that a price got a further discount with this link. So if you're looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, make sure to use either of this coupon code to get amazing discount with Hostinger. Good luck with your hosting with Hostinger.